Hello, and welcome to Storytime with Grandpa Gordon. Today we will be reading The Monkey Brothers, Big Trucks Fix the Road, a story by Grandpa Gordon. The wind blew hard during the night. Rain tapped on the roof of the banana bin house. By morning, the sky was bright again. Junior, Jerry, Johnny, and Jenny hurried outside to see the puddles. Mom pointed down the road. "Oh my," she said softly. Part of the road into Banana Bin had washed away. Mud and water covered the ground below. "No cars can get through today," Dad said. The Monkey Brothers stared at the broken road. "How will they fix it?" asked Jerry. Junior scratched his head. Johnny looked towards the sandbox and smiled. "I think I know." The brothers ran to the sandbox. Their little toy road had cracks and bumps from the rain, too. Tiny cars were tipped sideways. "We better get to work," said Junior. Junior grabbed the toy bulldozer. "Push the mud away," he said. Vroom! The little blade shoved wet sand into a neat pile. Jerry laughed. "That sounds powerful." Jerry picked up the excavator. "Scoop and dig," he called. Clack, clack. The bucket lifted the sand and cleared the deep hole. Johnny clapped his hands. "Nice digging." Now Johnny drove the front end loader. "Fresh dirt coming through. Beep, beep." He carried dry sand and small pebbles to fill the road. Jenny hopped up and down. "More, more." Jerry carefully rolled the grader across the top, smooth and straight. Then Junior pushed the heavy roller behind it. Rumble, rumble. The new road became flat and firm. Jenny had one very important job. She placed a tiny sign beside the road. "Open road." Everyone cheered. "We did it," said Johnny. Just then, real trucks rumbled down the road nearby. The town road crew had arrived. A grader rolled past. A loader followed behind. The Monkey Brothers smiled wide. "Just like us," whispered Jerry. By afternoon, the real road was being repaired, and in the sandbox, traffic was moving again. Tiny cars rolled happily into town. The Monkey Brothers sat proudly beside their machines. Sometimes big ideas begin in little piles of sand. The end. Thanks for reading along with me today. I hope you enjoyed this adventure with the Monkey Brothers. What kind of adventure will you go on today? I'm Grandpa Gordon, and I hope you'll come back real soon for another Monkey Brother adventure.